Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from vsesilksarees. In this video we are going to see a budget friendly handloom Kanchipuram soft silk sarees. So we have 40 plus colors in this video. We are going to see all these sarees. So before that, if you are first time watching our channel, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get regular notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections. So we have 40 plus different colors and a different design in this video. So please don't miss these collections. Please do watch this video fully for all the color combination and designs. We are uploading fresh collections daily in our YouTube channel. So please do watch YouTube channel regularly for all those collections. All these are our own manufacturing sarees, freshly stocked from our looms. So the sarees which we are going to see in this video are 1.5 warp sarees. So all comes with a tissue border and a borderless collections. We have two varieties. This is the first saree, a beautiful violet with pink combination. So this has a both sides tissue border and a beautiful puttas in gold jari and a silver thread. So you will get a contrast blouse in pink color. So all these puttas comes all over the saree. Till end of the saree you will get these puttas with both sides tissue border. And next is a bottle green with peach combination. This is the borderless collection. So we have both borderless and the tissue border. So please do watch this video fully for all the color combinations. All these are 1.5 sarees, 1.5 warp sarees. Premium quality silk, comes with a Silkmark certified. So if you want to book these sarees, please do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. You can share the screenshot and you can book with us. We do have video call facility as well, so you can contact us for video call facility and you can confirm the color for booking. Also we are shipping all over India and we give international shipping as well, so you can book it from anywhere. So please do book the saree. Wholesalers and shop owners, those who are watching this video, you can contact us for more details. We are giving for wholesale and bulk orders. And our shop is located in Sirumugai, Coimbatore district, Tamil Nadu. So you can visit us directly as well for more collections. Please do contact us and visit us directly. So all are different design and a different color combos. All comes with a contrast pallu and blouse. The full saree length is 6.3 meters, which includes blouse as well. So you have blouse in all these sarees. So please do watch this video fully and book your favorite saree.